Let's see the cat. Say hello, cat. This guy's gonna be in the video. No? Okay, fine. All right, thanks, Jude. Okay, the shadow from the cat. Okay, so let's do this guy. Here we go. What we have here is a great question. All right, if you could look at the graph. So we have here two lines. It says this angle, anytime we have two lines, right, we have four angles. This angle is 2x, and this angle here is 4x minus 80. All right, so we have some points here. It says this is point R, this is H, that point there in the middle. And what we want to know, it says the angle of RHS, so we want to know what's that angle. Now, a couple things. Intersecting angles are always equal. So this angle must be equal to this angle, all right, because those are two intersecting angles. And this angle has to be equal to that angle, because those are intersecting angles. So the angle that has 2x has to equal 4x minus 80. At that point, we should have an algebra equation. We can subtract 4x from each side. 2x minus 4x is negative 2x equals negative 80. So we have negative 2x equals negative 80. Anytime I do this, I just multiply negative 1 to each side. That way, everything is positive. So we have 2x equals 80, and then we just simply divide by 2. And so it looks like x equals 40. Awesome. So if x equals 40, this angle here, let's go back to that angle. It's 2x. And if x equals 40, then this angle has to be 80, right? And then obviously the intersecting angle has to be 80. And we can solve, right? 4 times x is 40, so it would be 160 minus 80. So this angle, 160 minus 80 is 80 also, right? So both angles are 80. Now, we want to solve this angle here. All right, so get this. All these angles have to equal, you're right, 360. All right, so all the angles have to equal 360. Let's go up here. And it looks like those two intersecting angles are 80 and 80, which is 160. So 360 minus 160, which is those two. So we have 200 degrees left for the last two angles. Now those angles have to equal each other. We could say x plus x equals 200, right? The mathematical way, so 2x equals 200, and then you divide each side by 2x equals 100. So this angle has to be 100. And then this angle has to be 100, so those two angles are 200, and the other angles are 80 and 80. Keep up the great work. If you want to keep at it, watch this video right here, this one right here, and you're gonna rock and roll in math. All right, welcome back. It's good to be back. I'll see you guys again soon.